Here's a real short one, everybody. Couple of tips when getting a replacement blade for your plane. You have a few options. You contact a seller of old fine tools and you get an original to fit your plane. Or the next step is you find an inexpensive replacement blade from some supplier. This particular one came off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Or you can go with the thicker irons from Wood River, from Hawk, from IBC. Can't wait to get the IBC 95 series. But here are the two cautions. Number one, when you put a thick blade in, this one is 1/8 of an inch. When you put a thick blade in, move your frog back. Otherwise your cutting edge will hit the front of the mouth, okay? The other thing too is be careful where your chip breaker is set. If you set it too close to the cutting edge, the chip breaker also can hit the front of the mouth, all right? So you can't set it like, you know, those people say should be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 from the cutting edge. You can't do that because you're just not going to have enough room. So with this one, I just moved the frog back and didn't put the chip breaker all the way down close. And as you can see, it's making beautiful shavings. And the plane has not yet been restored. This is just more or less as found. That's about it, everybody. Real short one. If you can get quality old vintage blades in the 0.08 to 0.09 range, you shouldn't have too much of a problem. Ron Hawk's blades were 3/32, which is 0.09375, but most of the replacement blades are coming in at 0.1 and above. So 0.1, 0.125, 0.11. This one is 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. So that's about it, everybody. When choosing a replacement blade, move the frog back. Before you even put the blade in, move the frog back. Then test it and see how it fits. Because if you take the time to sharpen the blade, then you put it in with a tight chip breaker setting, and you advance it down and hit the mouth, number one, you're not going to get a shaving. Number two, you could damage your sharp blade. And if you keep cranking on the adjusting knob, you could actually crack the plane. So the other little thing, and I can't show you right now without taking the plane apart, the other little thing that can cause you problems is if the blade is too thick and your yoke, your two little tips of your yoke are not long enough to reach up into your chip breaker slot, you may have problems advancing and retracting the blade. So sometimes these really thick blades have their challenges. So that's about it, everybody. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. It's fun. Walter out.